A breakthrough in adaptive metamaterials is reshaping how we manage privacy, lighting, and acoustics in everyday spaces in homes worldwide. Top researchers describe a programmable skin that twists reflections and sound waves, enabling instant privacy at a tap. In a field test, a family notes calmer mornings when their windows automatically tune glare and street noise. Experts outline practical paths from living rooms to offices, predicting cheaper, more energy-efficient materials and new privacy standards. The series dives into timelines, tests, and real-world pilots, inviting viewers to imagine metamaterial futures today.